Housecall Pro is popular because it bundles scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and customer management into one system, but cheaper alternatives usually cut automation, user limits, or advanced dispatch tools to lower the price. By the end of this, you'll know the cheapest Housecall Pro alternatives, what each one is actually good for, and which option makes sense depending on how your service business is set up. Start with the first group. Lightweight field service apps are usually the cheapest option. These tools focus on basic scheduling, job tracking, and simple invoicing. They work best for solo technicians or very small teams that don't need complex dispatching or automation. The trade-off is fewer integrations and more manual updates compared to Housecall Pro. Next is CRM-style service tools. Some platforms focus more on customer management and lead tracking than full field operations. They help you manage quotes, follow-ups, and basic job records, but they are not built for heavy dispatch workflows. That makes them cheaper, but less powerful for multi-tech teams. Now look at mobile-first job apps. These tools prioritize field technicians using mobile devices over office-based control systems. They are usually lower cost because they simplify workflows, but that also reduces customization and reporting depth. Next is mid-range contractor platforms. These systems combine scheduling, invoicing, and customer management in a more structured way. They are closer to Housecall Pro in functionality, but often reduce automation or limit scalability to stay more affordable. Now look at where the cheapest options really save money. Lower-cost alternatives usually reduce pricing by limiting users, reducing automation features, or restricting advanced dispatch optimization. That keeps monthly cost lower, but it often increases manual work as your business grows. Next is the hidden trade-off most people miss. Even if a platform is cheaper upfront, costs can rise when you add more users, connect accounting tools, or unlock advanced features. So the cheapest option depends heavily on how fast your business is scaling. Now the key breakdown. The cheapest Housecall Pro alternatives usually fall into 4 groups: lightweight job apps, CRM-style tools, mobile-first platforms, and mid-range contractor systems, each trading advanced features for lower cost. To sum it up, lower-cost alternatives typically include scheduling, invoicing, and basic customer management, but reduce automation, reporting depth, and scalability compared to Housecall Pro 8.0. Next step is simple. Map your full workflow from booking to payment. Then pick the cheapest tool that still handles every step without forcing manual workarounds. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Housecall Pro comparisons, field service software breakdowns, and simple rankings that make contractor tools easier to choose.